Hayongha yoga shal paleleka kok English medium rung nogo jati gothar musungui Hayongha yoga shal palema pandano chengshawi rwekha Poddobil RD block ni BDO BSc chairman Prashanto Deborma bonokari botongo vice chairman Surajit Deborma khobui juda juda atongrok o shalo Hayongha yoga shal palemano rukshawi rung nogo buphang busarok bahaino kailekha.
On 21st June 2025, we have celebrated International Yoga Day as a part of Jati Awaz Jan Bhagidari Abhiyan, and we have successfully conducted it, and many of the students from different schools and NGOs and our public representatives participated in this International Yoga Day, and all of us have enjoyed very well, and we hope that in future we'll continue it and we'll take it as a part of life. Thank you.
2025 11তম আন্তর্জাতিক যোগা দিবস আবনি উপলক্ষে পদ্মবিল ব্লক বিষ্ণু খবজা जों दिनाव योगा खालायगा 3-4 आइटेम चिनी ब्लॉक चेयरमैन चिनी ब्लॉक नि भिडिओ যতন और पार्टिसिपेट थाका एवं যতन एन्जॉय थाका।